Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, you can find a variety of different videos, obviously mostly related to beauty, skincare, but I do have some mid-size fashion, some lifestyle. I am a working mama. I work full-time in the corporate world, and I love to come on here and use this as my creative outlet, but then also just share my experiences with different products. I always say this is my personal experience when I'm giving a review, but I always encourage people to leave comments down below. Tell me what you think, if you agree, disagree. I want this to be an educational platform, kind of like Amazon reviews. You know how you go to Amazon and you see how many people left reviews and you kind of peruse through them? That's what I hope my videos or my channel is like. Just a community of women coming together and giving their thoughts on products, because there's so much stuff out there. So I'm really excited today. I say that every time I do a video. I'm really excited. I'm excited to do videos. But I'm excited to do this video today. This is the Hello Love July subscription box. So if you don't know, sorry, I'm like all over the place. This is not my normal setup. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in the back. I'm in my office instead of my normal vanity bathroom area, but it is what it is. But if you don't know what Hello Love is, maybe, I guess you could just, because it's a subscription box, maybe you're a subscription person like me who just absolutely loves getting subscriptions. But Hello Love is a press-on nail company. And so they are a fairly small company. They do have fabulous press-on nails. That is what I'm wearing today. But if you don't know anything about the press-on world, it is amazing. I feel like right now everything is so expensive, and one of the reasons why I got onto press-on nails was to save money. It not only saves time, it saves money, it's less damaging to my nails, but I can have cute, fun nails and have them at an affordable price. I was spending $75 every 2 weeks to get my nails done, and that was just one color. That was with no design. If I got two colors, it would be an upcharge. So it was just all this stuff. So I jumped on this bandwagon, and I've been absolutely loving it because I can change out my nails. I have complete control, and they're super, super affordable, and I can be on trend. Best of all worlds. So one thing that I love about Hello Love is that their products all are color coordinated. And what I mean by that is, you can see here, these are two different sets, but they work together. And it's like there's an intentionality about them picking out their colors and their different nails, because I don't necessarily want to do just all one color. I want to kind of mix and match. And I'll kind of show you as we're going through the box what I mean by that. But they just, I think they had a subscription box before, and then they ended up redoing it. And so with their subscription box, it is $30 a month. You automatically get 2 nail products. You get 2 full sets, and each of the full sets automatically are $15. So that's just their normal retail price. So just right off the bat, you're spending the same amount that you would get. The only difference is you're getting a surprise, basically. The other thing that they do is sometimes they include different sets, additional products. They'll include new nails that haven't come out yet, so you'll get a preview. So it's just a really, really fun way for you to change up your nails and have a surprise, and then also kind of be ahead of the curve. So I went ahead and picked up the July one, and I want to show you, I've already done it, but I wanted to show you kind of what's in the box. So first off, they have this little postcard, and basically what it says, it tells you what's included, and it'll tell you a little bit about the product. So this one right here, I'm going to show you, this is one of the ones I have on my nails. So this is what is called Ranch in the Panch. Ranch in the Panch. They always have cute little things, but this is early access. So this has not dropped yet. I'm hoping to have this video up when it does drop so that you guys see it, but that is that, and that is what it looks like on my nails. So that is one. Then they included a full set of Never Nude. This is the other color that I have. And this is an exclusive, like a regular access one. You can get it right now, but it's one of their staples. That is another thing that I like about this company, is I feel like some of the other brands like Red Aspen, they have like trendy stuff, and they have a lot of versatility in a lot of different styles, but I feel like they always either sell out, maybe not sell out, but they they discontinue them. And so I like to have something that's a little bit more consistent and classic. And that's what I feel like a lot of their nails are. It's just kind of a classic color that you can always merge different colors with. And that's exactly what I did here. I just took it like this. These are two things that I can use no matter what time of year. It's classic, it's simple, and it's something that's never, it's like timeless, I guess. And then the free gift that I got is this accent pack called DEFCON 5. And you can see here, just a cute little, it reminds me of like Nintendo. I think these right here remind me of like Nintendo. But that's the other thing that I love about them is they have these little accent packs where you can just purchase these. They only have, I forget how many are actually in it. So there you go. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 little nails. And what these are is to use as accents. So they're not a full set, so they are a little bit cheaper because you're not getting a full set, but you can use it with different nail styles. You can use all of these if you want, or you can kind of mix and match with some plain colors like Never Nude. So that's really what I like about it. The other thing you can see here, like this one right here, like these, let's see, these nails right here will go with virtually any of these accent packs. And that's what I'm talking about, of how they like intentionally put the colors together so you can mix and match. And I'm the type of person that I'm not good at, like, if I see something that I like, if I see something put together that I'm like, oh, I like that. I'm really good at telling you what I like, but I'm not very good at putting stuff together. And that is one of the things that I like about it, is they kind of take the guesswork out of it. And I don't have to sit there and go through and say, is this the right color? Is this, okay, this one's a little off. They all are kind of very intentional and work together. And that's what I love, because you get different nail styles with that. So like I said, for $30, I got these three. I got access to this one that hasn't even set out, and then I got an accent pack, which I think their accent packs are $10. So all right here, this would be $40, but I got it for $30. So I really, really like that. The other thing that it said, so it says this one here, it tells a little bit of fun fact about Hidden Valley, or the ranch in the Panch. It says in 1983, Hidden Valley Ranch introduced a shelf-stable bottle of ranch dressing to the delight of housewives everywhere, who were now able to keep a spare bottle in the pantry for any ranch dressing emergency. I'm not a big ranch fan, so. At the end of the late night Hello Love naming session, we shot down warm ranch in favor of ranch in the Panch. They laughed for days. So it has this little thing. Thank you again for purchasing our Hello Again subscription. At the beginning of each month, you will receive this cute little box with at least 2 full sets of Hello Love press-on nails. From time to time, like this time, you may receive a little something extra as a special thank you for being one of our loyal supporters. We'll say hello again next month. See what we did there. So super cute. So, and then the last thing that they do is they do include like instructions on how to apply them. Super easy. The other thing that I like about them is their nails actually are curved to natural nails. I have tried some Kiss nails. I have tried like I think it's like Glamatic, the static nails, I think it's called. Those are not like naturally curved, and I feel like I don't get the longevity with them because of the way that the nails design. These are designed to fit your nails like your natural nails, to hug them. And so that's where I feel like I can get a solid 2 weeks out of these, because of the way that they're designed. Their glue is really, really good, and they're just super, super cute. I get so many compliments when I wear these, because people just like cute, fun nails. And then when you say, oh yeah, they're press-ons, and I only paid, I mean, technically $30, but I have the other thing. I mean, I still have these full sets. I can use this as an accent nail for other nails. So I have multiple ones that I can use with this, and these are reusable. Now, I haven't reused them, and the reason for that is when I go to take them off, a lot of times there's glue stuck on the nail, and I haven't found a really good way to take it off. So that is one of the things that I'm going to be working on, is trying to find the best removal process. Like, I know how to remove them from my nails without damaging them, but I haven't gotten or perfected how to remove like the excess nail or the glue off of the actual nail dash kind of thing, the press-on nail, so that I can reuse it. Because you want to have a clean bond. You want to have, you don't want to have anything that's clunky or excess glue or old glue, because that's going to break up the bond in future things. So I haven't perfected that yet, but they are technically reusable. And yeah, I just really, really like them. So hopefully if you guys are interested in doing the July subscription box, or I guess July maybe has sold out already, but jumping on a future subscription box, then definitely do that. I'm going to link my ladies thing down below. I am, in full transparency, really debating jumping on being a fanatic, they call it, where you actually sell them or you partner with them and stuff like that. So I'm kind of debating. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm debating on jumping on the bandwagon. I'm not fully committed yet. So if by the time I get this video up, if I have pulled the trigger, I will put my information down below in case you guys are interested. If not, I will put the ladies' information that I currently purchase under. So we shall see. Maybe it'll be a surprise. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please leave your messages or comments down below if you have any questions. If you jumped on the bandwagon, got the July subscription, what your thoughts are, all that stuff. And if I can help you in any way, definitely leave your comments below and I will help you out in whatever way I can. Till next time, bye.